Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 16, 2025, Saturday Racing. Karera sa araw ng Sabado. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races ay to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Starting time ng karera, 4 p.m. alas 4 ng hapon. Makapalang lineup, yung race 2, race 3, race 6 at race 7. Full gate. Puno ang aparato. Ang mga karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, no bearing, no effect. Alam naman natin na pag no bearing, no effect, maraming palaban, maraming naghanda para makakuha ng win. At na-notice ko rin na no bearing, no effect din ang araw ng Linggo. Saan natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race 1, winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isang 3-year-old maiden race placers. Ang ating pong cool first choice, coupled entry, 2, closing time, 2A, Wild Conqueror. Ito ang principal. Second choice, number 9, McLaren. 2, pick 6, covers races 2 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 12, Sky Story. Race 3, pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 14, Work from Home. Second choice, number 4, Gold Rush. Meron po tayong pang third choice, number 6, Mythic Laila. Race 4, pick 4, covers races 4 to 7. Sa race 4, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Malabon King. Second choice, hindi pa natin BBT1. Baka ngayon ilabas ang tunay na kalibre. Second choice natin, number 6, California King. Tumako tayo sa likod ng programa, race 5. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Big Battle. Second choice, number 1, High Dollar. At third choice, number 6, Full Combat Order. Penultimate race, pangalawa sa last race, race na may pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 13, Autumn Shower with Jackie JT Sarate. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 7, Hakim, skipper by EA Abrea. 7, last race, paratingan, race na may Super 6. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Potential. Masama at negative ang mga nakaraang mga takbo, pero hindi po natin to BBT1. Sasakyan ni AP Asuncion. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 6, Don Lucas. At third choice, number 7, Iikot Lang. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!